Hello, hello, hello. Today is Wednesday, March 18, 2026. Problem 251. A real classic. And in one of my lectures of 801, I more or less covered this. A body falls freely from some altitude, capital H. See the figure. At the moment that the first body starts falling, another body is thrown from the Earth's surface, and you see that here, which collides with the first at an altitude lowercase h, which is capital H divided by 2. So this h is half this. And the horizontal distance at the impact is L. This is L. Find the initial velocity and the angle at which it is thrown. Classic 801 problem. I expect at least 15 correct solutions. All right then. If you can't do it now, well, then look at my 801 lectures when I deal with throwing up objects. Maybe you will find one that is very close to this one. I wish you all the best.